In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download songs on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to a website where we can download songs. Here I got the website fileexamples.com. I'm gonna use it just to demonstrate you how we can easily download songs from a website to our iPhone. However, in the same way, you can download songs or audio files from any website that allows you to do so. So guys, once you find a song or MP3 file you want to download, all you have to do is just tap a download button next to that song. Here I got 4 different buttons. I'm gonna tap at the first one, and after a couple of seconds we'll be taken to audio player where we can listen that audio. We can play it, we can pause it, and then to save that audio file to our device, we just need to tap down below here at Share. Then scroll down, and that's where we are looking for Save to Files. We can tap on it. Then it will ask you to select a folder in which you would like to save that song. I prefer to save all my downloads to on my iPhone location. So basically we have here 2 different options. We can save that file on our iCloud drive or on our internal iPhone storage. I prefer to save it on my iPhone at Downloads folder. Here all we have to do basically is just tap at Save, and then once the file is saved, we can easily find it using Files app. That is official Apple app to manage files on your iPhone. So if you haven't this app installed on your device, just head over to the App Store, and that's where you can easily download it. Once it is done, open up Files app, head over to the folder in which you've downloaded the file, and that's where you can easily find it. Here I got just one MP3 file. Here it is. We can tap on it to play. And basically, guys, that's it. As you can see, I've just successfully downloaded a song from a website to my device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.